Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Hi, I'm Robert with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be covering the installation and uses for a product called the Easy Bracket. This bracket is going to bail you out when you have either a granite countertop that you cannot screw into, or if you have a Formica countertop that's particle board underneath and the particle board is falling out and won't hold a screw. So in order to install this, the first thing we need to do is uninstall the dishwasher and move it out from the hole. To complete this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench. So now, we'll just slide the dishwasher out of its position and we'll move it to the side a bit. We'll remove the Easy Bracket from its package, and it comes with the mounting screws that you'll need for both the dishwasher and mounting it to the cabinet. Okay, so we have 4 screws that are the same. Those are going to go into the side tabs, and then these 2 screws will go into the mounting. So the first thing you want to do is take your bracket and take a pair of linesman's pliers or some sort of straight pliers, any kind of straight pliers that will allow you to get a nice crease on the tab, and you want to bend your tabs over and then finish them off. Same thing on the other side. You want to get as close to the body of the bracket as possible to start your bend, and then you move the pliers down a little bit to give you room and finish it off. And we're going to start to mount the bracket. You want to get the bracket set in position. Now, once you get your bracket in position to where the tabs are lined up with the cabinet, you're going to take your number 2 Phillips screws that have the beveled shoulder on it, and we're going to install them. Doesn't really matter which one you start with. You just want to make sure that your bracket doesn't move out of place while you're screwing it in. I've got that screw started. I'm going to start the screw on the other side, and that'll keep the bracket from moving around on me. Finish off the one we started on this side. Then go to our next screw. The bracket itself has multiple holes in the top of the bracket, so that pretty much any dishwasher, the mounting tabs are going to line up with a screw hole. Now we'll go ahead and install the dishwasher. Now, once you have the dishwasher in position, you want to get your mounting bracket over to the closest hole. Now, if you have excess of the mounting tab, you can snap that off. At this point, I can see that the dishwasher is not exactly level. It's in more on the bottom than it is on the top. So I'm going to pull out slightly on the bottom and get an adjustable wrench to adjust the front feet. Now with the dishwasher back in place, that concludes the installation of the Easy Bracket. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.